Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Derek Fidoro. I'm a participant of MMN Guider School batch 226. This is a feedback video of my experience in MMM. I would say MMM Guider School has been a school I've come to enjoy. It's a school that has really taught me so many great things. I've come to meet so many set of people, the likes of the mentor and some other good people. MMN Guider School has taught me so many things. It has taught me how to be articulate in the things I do. It has taught me how to guide myself in plans that I make. It has also helped us, even in our business game, to work together as a team. Just like the ant colony. The ant colony, they came together and they worked together to achieve a common goal. Despite their size, they are very small, but they are able to achieve so many great things. This MMM Guider School has really broadened my knowledge in terms of planning. It has really broadened my knowledge in terms of leadership. It has really broadened my knowledge in terms of learning new things. I have come across so many new softwares that have really helped me. I've come across so many great things. So I want to really encourage everyone, especially those in MMA community already, to be part of this guidance school. Because with this guidance school, you are able to plan and do so many things. Despite the fact that MMA guidance school has taken a lot of my time, my money, resources, but one good thing is that at the end of it, what is the things that are laid in stock to benefit far outweighs the input we are putting in. MMA Guidance School has really come to teach us to learn and to become greater in the future. So my big thanks go to our fellow Guidance School colleagues and also to our mentor Mr. Endurance and also to the great founder of this great community. MMM lives forever. Cheers.